Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to withdraw Headway bonus profit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to withdraw the Headway bonus points or profit, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in headway.co. Now once you are inside the Headway provider page, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Type on the 3 horizontal bar and then simply log into your account. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the earnings, and once you're inside earnings, select payments section to view your current balance and payment history. Then ensure your bank account information is correctly entered in the payment settings. Then Headway typically process payments on a regular schedule, example weekly or bi-weekly. Payments are automatically transferred to your linked bank account based on this schedule. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.